Welcome to my channel Easy Science by Dr. Alka Mani. In this video, we will discuss about the carbon and its compounds, and we will learn how to draw electron dot structures of different molecules. I have shared two videos of this topic already, and you can search it in the description box, video 1 and video 2. So let's start some more molecules having electron dot structure and how we can draw it. It's very important according to the examination point of view. This is cyclopentane. Cyclopentane, and its molecular formula is C5H10. First we will draw its structural formula and then we will draw electron dot structure. Cyclopentane, its shape is pentagonal. Penta means 5. So it has 5 arms, C, 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 and HR10. So we have to complete its tetravalency of carbon. You should be careful that each carbon atom must be bonded with 4 other atoms, whether it may be hydrogen or it may be carbon. Now you can see that each carbon is bonded with carbon atom also and 2 hydrogen atom also. And now we will draw the electron dot structure. As I told you, when there is a bonding, single bonding, it means there is sharing of 1 electrons from both the atoms. Structure should be same and shape should remain same, the pentagon. So let's draw. This screen is little bit slippery, so writing is not too much good. Each carbon atom has 4 electrons in the outermost shell, and I will show these 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 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 Next is hydrogen. Each hydrogen has 1 electron in its outermost shell. So like this. And now this hydrogen has 2 electrons in their outermost shell. This is called covalent bonding. Covalent, when the sharing of electrons takes place between 2 atoms. And now each carbon must complete its 8 electrons. Like this, 2, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 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 So in this way we can draw electron dot structure of cyclopentane. So there are three formulae. One is C5H10. It is molecular formula, and it is structural formula, and it is electron dot structure. Next one we are taking is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane, and its molecular formula is C6H12. And now we will draw this structure. Cyclohexane, hexane means hexagonal shape. So you have to draw hexagonal shape like this. And these are the carbon. I am using different colors so that you can differentiate between the electrons of each atom. And hydrogens are 12 in number. Like this. These are the bonds. Each carbon atom must have 4 bonds to complete its tetravalency. So this is the structural formula of cyclohexane, and molecular formula is C6H12. Now I will draw the electron dot structure like the cyclopentane. Only you can complete this lower portion, writing here C and same like this. This is the portion you also draw here, and this will complete the cyclohexane electron dot structure. And now I will tell you benzene. Benzene, its molecular formula is C6H6. C6H6. Now I will draw it. Again it is hexagon in shape. Carbon, 6 carbon, and each carbon is attached with one hydrogen. Now you can see that valency is not satisfied here. As I told you, each carbon is bonded with 4 other atoms. Now we can see each carbon is surrounded by 3 bonds. Then where is the 4th bond? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Where is the 4th one? So we will draw the 4th bond like this. Now you can count each carbon has 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each carbon has 4 bonds and each hydrogen has single bond. Now we will draw its electron dot structure. साइक्लोहेक्सेन का मैंने इसीलिए ड्रॉ नहीं किया क्योंकि सिर्फ यहाँ एक कार्बन और सेम इसी तरह का यहाँ आपको नीचे ड्रॉ करना है और सिंगल बॉन्डिंग और साथ में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. देन यू कैन इजीली ड्रॉ इट. And now I will draw the electron dot structure of benzene. Let's start. Shape should remain same. These are the 6 carbon atoms and each carbon is bonded with one hydrogen atom. So I will draw one hydrogen atom with it. And each carbon atom has 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3. 3 मैंने आपको दिखाया ड्रॉ करके. और 4th इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ ड्रॉ होगा? जहां पर डबल बॉन्डिंग है वहां पर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की शेयरिंग है. As I told you earlier, then when there is double bond, then the sharing of 2 electrons takes place from both sides. So इस कार्बन के 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंप्लीट हो गए. अब इस कार्बन के हम 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंप्लीट करेंगे 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now there is single bond and it will share single electron. There is double bonding, there will be sharing of 2 electrons from both carbon atoms. There is single electron, again there is 1 electron sharing, and there is 2 double bonds, then 2 electrons sharing. Now the sharing of carbon atom is completed and we will share hydrogen atom's electron. This is the hydrogen atom's electron. Now this is hydrogen atom electron. 2 electrons, each hydrogen having. Its outermost shell is completely filled with 2 electrons. Again, this type of bonding is called covalent bonding. And now we will complete the electrons of carbon. Look carefully. 2, 4 and 4, 8. 4 and 2, 6 and 2, 8. 2, 2, 4, 4 and 4, 8. 4 and 2, 6 and 2, 8. 2, 2, 4 and 4, 8. 4 and 2, 6 and 2, 8. So like this you can draw the electron dot structure of benzene. Its molecular formula is C6H6 and it is its structural formula, it is electron dot structure. Students, if you like my video, then please press the like button, share it with your other friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.